So today we're going to cover a FIRESTICK feature I never even knew existed. I've been having a little bit of trouble recently, which I'm sure a lot of you may have done, about syncing audio to video. I've had some apps which have been out of sync. It's been annoying me a little bit. Not on all devices, just on my Fire TV Cube. Obviously you can use players, media players, like VLC player, but there's actually a feature directly on your Fire Stick. And I'm going to show you where it is and how it works. Before we do that though, if you can, do remember, if you use a Fire Stick or a streaming device or a streaming product, or you want your movies, TV shows, which apps to use, do remember to hit that subscribe button. Regular watchers, if you can hit that share button, it'll really help us out. And if you have any questions, drop them underneath in the comments. And there is a link to our Discord server underneath as well, so come and join that. So, what is the issue? So, you know when you're watching a movie and sometimes the lips aren't in sync with the video, and it is annoying. Probably one of the most annoying things when you watch something, and as soon as you see it once, you can't get it out your head, and it drives me insane. But there's actually a feature directly on your Fire Stick, and I don't think it was there before, so I think it must have come with one of the latest updates. So the best thing to do is make sure your Fire Stick is up to date. First, go to Settings, My Fire TV, click on About, and then check for updates. Mine's up to date. I keep mine up to date because you get the new features. You also get any security patches and fixes, and keeps your device running the best. Yes, you can block updates. That is your choice. But me personally, I like to keep it up to date because I actually like the new features. So once you've done that, we're going to find this tool to sync the audio. And to do that, you go to Settings, you go to Display and Audio, you go to Audio, and at the bottom here, we've got AV Sync Tuning. If you're experiencing issues with audio and video synchronization while watching media, adjust the settings for audio delay on your devices here. So what you'll see there, let me just turn some sound on. You'll see it flashes, it beeps, and at the time, and you can move left and right to adjust it. And you can move it left and right to adjust until the visual and sound are in sync. Tuning mode HDMI. Okay? So you move it left and right, like this, and then you click on the apply, and then it will adjust it when you watch your next video. I found it was a bit of trial and error to actually make it work, because everything I looked at looked in sync to me. But I adjusted it, played with it, checked my video again, come back, tried again. As you'll see, you know, mine's pretty in sync now, but you can adjust it all the way down there. And obviously hit apply, and then it changes it. But again, I found you get the one you want, hit apply, and it works. It was just a quick tip, that one, for you, because I didn't know you could even do it directly on your Fire Stick. Please correct me if I'm wrong in the comments if it's been there a while. I could be completely wrong, but I've never seen it before. And as you know, we're on our Fire Sticks, Fire TV devices daily making videos. So maybe I just missed it. I don't know, but it's brilliant. That way you don't need to add your extra media player. You can sync it yourself and make everything work. Brilliant. Like I say, before you leave, if you can, hit the subscribe button. We will keep you up to date with everything we can, streaming related. And if you are after a VPN, a quick word from one of our partners underneath. Linked underneath is NordVPN. They are a partner of ours. If you need a VPN, you want to stay safe online, and you want to help support the channel, do feel free to use one of our affiliate links. It is affiliation, linked underneath, but it does help us out a lot, but only if you need a VPN. No point going buying one if you don't need a VPN. So that's linked directly underneath. It is one of the fastest VPNs out there with the most servers, and it's a great deal we have linked under there. Brilliant. Right, I'm out of here. Hopefully that was a great little fix for you. Hopefully you liked that one, and I'll see you on the next one.